My name is HumorDash Airsoft, and I am the funniest airsofter alive.
Where'd he at?
To the outside world, I'm just a scrub. But with the help of my friends at the field, I find and fight other airsofters like me. After creating my own gun called the Second Spill, I was able to go into the meme dimension, and I was not able to come back for a very, very long time. But now I'm back.
No, don't do this to me.
I open my world with new threats, and I am the funniest person that can stop them.
It's
I
this gear
am
stripped again.
HumorDash.
Okay. Why are you playing on your phone?
I'm gonna send a Snapchat to my Snapchat to my phone.
Snapchat.
It's actually Facebook.
Go!
All right, ready?